Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So now just let's first unlock our SIM card. And now let's open the settings application and scroll to the biometrics and password. Then here, to the security section. Then click here to more settings, and here you'll see setup SIM lock. Now just to remove SIM pin from your device SIM card, click once on the switcher, and after that enter your currently pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.